Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you about nuclear weapons of Israel, but before starting this video I request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Now let's start the video. The state of Israel is widely believed to possess nuclear weapons. Estimate of Israel's stockpile range between 80 and 400 nuclear warheads, and the currently is believed to possess the ability to deliver them in the several methods, including by aircraft as a submarine launched cruise missile and while the Jericho series of intermediate to the international range ballistic missile. Its first deliverable nuclear weapons is thought to have been completed in late 1966 or earlier in 1967, which would make it the sixth country in the world to have developed them. However, Israel maintains a policy of deliberate ambivalence, never officially denying nor admitting to having nuclear weapons, instead repeating over the years that Israel will not be first country to introduce nuclear weapons to Middle East. Israel has also declined to sign the Treaty on the Non-Proliferation of Nuclear Weapons despite international pressure to do so, saying that would be contrary to the national security interest. Additionally, Israel developed the beginning doctrine of the counter-proliferation and preventive strikes, denying other regional actors the ability to carry their own nuclear weapons. The Israeli Air Force conducting operational occurred, destroying the Iraqi and Syrian nuclear reactors in 1981 and 2007 respectively, and the Stanex malware that severely damaged Iranian nuclear facilities in 2010 is thought to have been developed by Israel. As of the 2019, Israel remains the only country in the Middle East believed to possess nuclear weapons. The SMAN options refer to Israel's defense strategy of massive retaliation with the nuclear weapons as last resort against a country whose military has invaded and destroyed much of the Israel. Israel began to investigate the nuclear field soon after it declared independence in 1948, and with the French cooperation secretly began building the Negri Nuclear Research Center, a facility near the domain housing a nuclear reactor and responding plant in the late 1950s, and the first extensive detail of the weapon program came on the October 5, 1986, with the media coverage of relations from the Methaconia venue and technology family employed at the center. Venue was soon kidnapped by the Masood and brought Israel, where he was sentenced to 18 years in Paris of the terrorism and espionage. Israel's first Prime Minister David Ben-Gurion was nearly obsessed with the obtaining nuclear weapons to prevent the Holocaust from the requiring. He stated with Einstein, Oppenheimer and Taylor and three them Jews made the United States could be also be done by the scientists in Israel for their own people. Ben-Gurion decided to recruit Jewish scientists from the abroad. Even before the end of 1948, Arab Israel were the established Israel independence. He and others, such as the head of the Weizmann Institute of Science and Defense Ministry scientist Ernest Dwight Bergman, believed and hoped that the Jewish scientists such as the Oppenheimer and Taylor helped to the Israel in 1949 of the Israel Defense Force Science Corps, known by the Arab acronym Hamad Jamil, began to the 2-year geological survey of the negative, while a primary study was initially promoted by the rumors of the petroleum field. On the objective of the longer 2-year survey was the find to source of uranium. Some small recovered amount were found in phosphate deposit that the year. Hamid Jamil founded 6 Israel physics graduate students to the study of years, including one to go to the University of Kingo and study under the Incro Fermi, who had overseen the world's first artificial and the self-sustaining nuclear chain reaction in early 1952. Hamid Jamil was moved from the IDF to the Ministry of Defense and was recognized as the Division of Research and the Instruction that June Begaman was appointed by the Ben Gurion to be the first appointed by the Ben Gurion to be first chairman to Israel Atomic Energy Communication. Hamid Jamil was the renamed March for the during transfer was the used by Benjamin as the chief laboratory of the IAEC by the 1953 merchant for working the Department of Isotope Research at the Weizmann Institute developed the capability to extract uranium from the phosphate in the negative, and new technique developed and capability to extract uranium from the phosphate in the negative, and a new technology to produce indigenous heavy water. That techniques were 2 years more advanced than American efforts. Began, who was interested in increased nuclear cooperation with the French, sold both parent to the Communicate Large Atomic for the 6 million francs. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Allah Hafiz.